It is tomato harvest time, and I gotta tell you, this thing has just gone absolutely insane. So the tomato plant on this tower garden has just grown all over the whole thing. It's overwhelming it. It's actually growing onto the other towers. So over here is where I had the previous harvests, and it's still going strong there, which is crazy. As fast as I can pull these things off, I've been giving them away. We just don't eat that many tomatoes. We don't eat hundreds per week. They're everywhere, 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 all over this plant. There's more there that are ready. But look at the flowers, 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 flowers. I mean, they're everywhere. It's hard to describe how crazy this has gotten. Yeah, see that? Coming on this other tower. Now the leafy green stuff is still growing, but it's getting really hot here. So I'm gonna have to start finding some varieties that do better in this hot weather. And then I actually started a tomato in this other tower, so that's gonna go crazy too. Now my cucumbers over here, which I've shown before, are starting to get pretty big. It's kind of hard to show on this side, but there's some babies. There's actually a bigger one. You can kind of barely see it back there, right there. It's a small variety, so I need to look up and see when it's gonna be ready. Here's the back side of that tomato. It's gone crazy. Leafy greens. So I'm gonna have to kind of rethink how I do these. I need more spacing and I need a whole lot more support. Good problem to have, right? Too many tomatoes. I'm gonna start growing some of these in some hydroponic buckets. Now I used to grow this in aquaponic and they did really good in that, but then I had to deal with fish. Now a lot of people are asking me, what do you grow in the towers? Obviously tomatoes, doing very well. Cucumbers doing well. Vine type beans like snap peas, they do well during of course the right weather, little cooler weather. Leafy greens, great. Now the other half of my garden over here, we're not going to talk about the food forest, that's completely separate. It's kind of blending with the grass, but this is oregano. So the herbs seem to do better here. The tower gardens is more short-term stuff. And so when you're looking at herbs that just grow constantly, the tower gardens I'm replanting about every 4 months. And over here, like this oregano is 2 years old. These jalapenos are doing good. Now last year they did better. This year I got lazy and I did not refresh the earth boxes. So these are earth boxes, self-watering containers. Love these things. Basil's doing well. Always had problems with growing parsley. Look at that, parsley, parsley, parsley. Some more basil, some more peppers. Now these flatter type boxes, radishes, like here's a radish. Definitely need to pull that thing out. I don't know what that is. I think that's a radish there. I bought a variety pack of radishes. I got green onions. Oh, I didn't show over here. So the green onions do well in just a pot container. I've got earth boxes all down here. I got them over here. And here I've got, like here's some lettuce purposely going to seed. Over there, there's lettuces going to seed. I'm gonna capture those seeds. I've got some bell peppers going. Again, the earth boxes, not going as good as last year. It's my fault. I didn't renew them, didn't add new fertilizer. Just like the tomatoes are kind of struggling, but I'm gonna switch tomatoes over to hydroponic. This is a daddle pepper. So this is just a plant that was here last year. I just cut it back and it just popped back up and it's full of peppers. And then there's that lettuce. So here's parsley in one of those flat containers. Doesn't do as good. I think it's just too soggy. Soil's definitely wetter in those containers. Earth box, another flat container. So this is, it was cilantro, now it's culantro. If you're in a hot climate and you have a problem with cilantro bolting all the time, try culantro. Tastes, smells just like cilantro, doesn't have the bolting issue. In fact, here's a big patch of culantro here. Now it's going to seed, but that doesn't affect the taste. You're going to use these leaves, you're going to chop them up so it doesn't matter that they don't look like cilantro. You're just going to chop them up anyways, and they look and smell great. And then just another jalapeno over here. It's doing good. So that's a quick tour of the garden, what it's doing now. So I'm going to go do some harvesting and see you next week.